Number 229. How many liters of water must be added to 20 liters of a 20% salt solution to make it a 12.5% salt solution? So pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 12, 8, 20, 40, and 32 liters. Okay, so this about mixture problem. The formula for mixture problem is C1V1 plus C2V2 is equal to C3V3, where V3 is equal to the sum of V1 and V2. Okay, so the C in this equation are, so the C are the concentration, the quantity with percent, and then V is the volume, so the quantity with liters. Okay, so let's construct a table. First column is the percent and the second column is the liters. Okay, so the question is how many liters? So how many liters of water must be added to 20 liters of 20% salt solution to make it a 12.5% salt solution? So first given natin for C1V1, we have 20 liters of a 20% salt solution. So for the column C1V1, C is the percent, so we have 20%. And then V is the liters, so we have 20 liters. Okay? And then next for the C2V2, so we have, the question is, how many liters of water? So liters of water. So since we have given how many liters of water, so that means the percent of solution of water is 0 because there is no salt in water. Okay? So the percent is 0 and then we're looking for the liters. How many liters? So how many liters? So we will write just X in the column for C2V2. Okay, so next for the column for C3V3, so C3V3, this is the mixture. So to make it a 12.5% salt solution. Okay? So the C3 is 12.5%. Okay? And then next, V3, the V3 is the sum of V1 and V2. So therefore we have 20 plus X, or that is X plus 20. Okay? And then we form the equation. So C1V1, just multiply this. So we have 20 times 20 plus C2V2, just multiply this. So we have 0x, or we can just simply ignore that. That is 0x, that is 0. And then C3V3, we multiply this. So we have 12.5 times x plus 20. Okay, so let's just solve for x. So we can remove this. That is 0. We multiply this 2 times 2. We have 4, and then we have 2 0. So therefore 400 equals, distribute this. So 12.5x plus 12.5 times 2. That is 25. And then we have 0. So we have 250. Then solve for x. So put 250 to the other side. So we have just subtract 250 to both sides. Okay, so this will cancel out. 400 minus 250, that is equal to 150 equals 12.5x. Last step, divide both sides by 12.5. Divide both sides by 12.5. Therefore, the value of x is, in dividing a decimal, we can make let's make the denominator or the divisor whole number by multiplying both sides by 10, or simply move the decimal point 1. And then also do that to the numerator, move the decimal point. So we will add 0. Okay, so that's equal to 1,500 divided by 125. And then we will do this manually. 1,500 divided by 125. So 150 divided by 125 is 1. 1 times 125, we have 125. Subtract this. We have 150 minus 25, that is equal to 25. Bring down 0. 250 divided by 125, that is 2. 2 times 125 is 250. Therefore, the value of x is 12 liters. The answer is letter A, 12. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa, i-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, math and logic lang, but we'll share reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito na mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items 'yon, yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking Messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.